that your love will never fade away. I should've seen it coming from a mile away. Cause now she's switching up and got a new style. And she dress it up with a fake smile. Like, girl, I need your loving right now. But it's time for me to let go. Like, girl, you know you left me so cold. Turning to somebody that I don't know.
What's good, guys? I'm here at my house right now, as you can see. And we're just going to be filming a little bit of a vlog today because I haven't filmed in a few days and I want to get a video done for you guys. And I'm going to try and make it as interesting and as fun as possible for today. It's already 4 o'clock right now, so we're a little bit late on the day. But like I was busy all this morning, like just worrying about stuff in my car, trying to get all that car crash stuff done. By the way, I do have an update coming about my car for you guys in this video, so that should be fun. You guys will get a little bit of an update. I'm going to let you guys know what's going down with that, when we're going to get it fixed and everything. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. But we're about to head to DJ's house right now, see what's going down over there, see what he's up to. Because we had a party a few days ago and left a huge mess. So, yeah, we're going to go see how bad it is. He's probably cleaned up right now, though, so it's probably not horrible anymore. But we'll go see the aftermath. And, yeah, if you want to post a notification out, like the person that's up on the screen right here, all you have to do, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell and like subscribe button. Go to the comments down below. Let me know if you guys turn on your post notification. You can post a notification out like the person that's up on the screen. We're about to head out of here right now. And, yeah, try and make this day as interesting as possible. And go from there. So let's do it. Also, comment below any ideas that you guys do have for content, and yeah, I'll get it done because I want to. For December, I'm gonna daily upload. Like I'm gonna upload every single day, no matter what. So we gotta bang out some fire content every single day. It'll probably be more car related than prank related because I'm gonna have to like grind like crazy every single day. But I'm gonna do what I can. Say what's up to the vlog, Brutus. You chilling? Why are you so angry? He was just barking at somebody at the door. But yeah, let's get it. We're out of here. Man, it barely started. Alright, we're in the whip, heading to DJ's. I had to go back inside for like 20 minutes because I lost my key and it was under my pillow, but we're out here now. So what happened here?
So this is the aftermath. I mean, this isn't the aftermath.
Nah, you cleaned it already, right? The floor was black.
The floor was literally, but look at the water. That water is disgusting.
Yeah, we just got to DJ's house, as you can see.
But,
that's disgusting, bro. Shut up.
Shut your ass up.
Alright, so we just made a quick little stop at DJ's. Had to go see the aftermath of the party real quick. We didn't really get to see much because obviously he was already cleaning when we got here because it took so long because I lost my key. We're about to go link with Chunky and everybody right now. They're at Chipotle and see what they're up to. So catch you guys when we get there. Alright, change of plans, guys. The whole squad is right there, but I'm about to run to Matt bought a pizzeria, so I'm about to run over there right now, go say what's up to him, see what he's doing, talk a little bit with him. I'll vlog everything, and yeah, his M4 is over there, so we'll be able to see his car and stuff too. So yo, so let's get it, let's go. We out of here. I don't know what this guy's doing. I'm going. Sorry. All right, be out. I'll catch you guys when we get over there. I don't want to bore you guys because I keep moving around too much. Today's a hectic day, guys, so I'm sorry. The vlog's gonna be jumping a lot, but as soon as I get to my next location, things will flow a little bit better, so let's do it. Yeah. Yeah.
Where you at, though?
What do you mean?
Where you at right now?
I'm at the pizzeria. Look, Brooklyn Pizza and Union. If you guys want to check them out, tell them the address. What's the address?
1014 Stuyvesant Avenue in Union, New Jersey, 07083.
Check them out, guys. My boy bought a business, bro. How old are you? How old are you? Hold up, tell him.
I just turned 20.
Just turned 20 and bought a business already.
You know what I'm saying?
And we got the dude, we got the M4 outside too.
Today.
And he got the X6. It's crazy. Yeah, we just chilling. About to have a nice conversation and see what we go. So pick up the camera as soon as I can. Yes, sir. All right, so we just ate some food real quick. Talked for about an hour. We're about to go outside. You don't have a rev battle, bro? You think you can hang?
I can.
You think you can hang?
Before I go outside, I'm gonna get my jacket.
All right.
Cause look.
But you think you can hang?
Can I get sick?
Okay.
You getting the?
See the damage yet on my whip though?
I did it.
Nah, you gotta see. It's not really that bad, to be honest. He just dented. This is all dented in, which is a problem. But then like the wrap.
Crack right here.
Yeah, is there? I didn't even notice that. Nah. That's just the wrap.
You sure, bro?
Yeah.
Oh,
but the wrap did save the paint though. It saved the crap out of my paint. But now the bumper's just bent right there. This is the worst part. Woo! That's the worst part. But that's just. It's all fixable. We should be all right.
Yeah, you're right.
Hopefully.
Just tell them that they fucked this up too, so they give you another one.
Yeah, because this messed up too. We
flew off, remember?
Yeah. Yo, we're at the gas station. I hit into that, and this thing came flying off. I had to crazy glue it back on. This car's a mess. But we got the M4 right here as well, as you guys can see.
By the way, guys, let me tell you something. Me and Mike did race.
Yeah, we did. If you guys didn't check out that video, you should go check it out.
Listen, he beat me the first time.
But he had to kick up. Yo, once he turned on launch control, I look over, I was like, damn.
No, you have to see his face. His face was like this.
I knew it was over for me. I knew it was over for me. But yeah, we got the M4 right here. Yo, I don't think they didn't see the X6 yet.
No,
they didn't see the X6. You got a video of it?
Let me see.
Just send me. I'll throw it in the vlog.
Oh yeah, I got you.
It's gonna pull up right now.
Here you go, Mikey. This is the car right here, the X6M I just purchased. I ain't gotta show you in it, but and this is my M4 in the back too. It's getting serviced right now. You know what I'm saying? Red interior and all. Once it gets serviced, I'll send you guys a little video of the startup and all that. But for now, that's all you guys are getting.
My car might be faster, but
might be, no, your car might be louder.
Okay.
But my car's faster.
Yeah.
Right.
Go ahead. Yeah, I heard that. Go ahead.
You heard that?
I heard that. That means it's open. That means it's open for business. Yeah. That means it's open for business. Once you hear those valves open, it's over with.
Look, you thought my exhaust was not loud, right?
Huh?
You thought my thing was not loud, right?
What you got in store?
So silly. I can't even tell you what I did to these.
What'd you do?
Don't worry.
What'd you do?
Don't worry.
You did a muffler delete?
Don't worry, Mikey.
What'd you do, bro? You did something. What'd you do?
My car doesn't sound different, Mikey.
It does sound different. The pops are crazy. I noticed that. I said it on the vlog. You're gonna hear it in the vlog. I heard the pops. I was like, yo.
Look, your car is louder than mine, though.
Yes, it is.
Look, ready? Turn it on. Just turn it. Go.
It's louder, but the pops aren't as crazy.
Go. Ready?
It's a fact.
Go ahead. That's alright. Yeah, you got that. That's it. You woke up the way.
That was like 4,000 RPMs. I can't go no more than that.
You woke up the whole neighborhood. Alright. Your gas just went boom.
Yeah, no, my gas just flew out the exhaust. Literally. But what'd you do though? You gotta let us know. Hold on, let me turn this off because it's too loud. Can't hear nothing. Alright. There we go.
About my car.
Yeah, I gotta do a quick little look over here. Whoa. Oh. Yo, you trying to take me out, bro?
Whoa.
So what you do?
Secret.
It's a secret.
Secret.
I can't tell us, guys. I can't tell us, but he did a resonator
project
delete.
is done.
He did a resonator delete though.
I don't think so.
Nah?
I don't think so.
You bought a new exhaust?
Close.
Sun coming in, maybe? Yeah, we got the whips right here.
All right.
All right. Oh yeah, I gotta tell you guys. I gotta tell you guys a little update about my car because we just did that whole little car thing.
Is that a new camera?
Nah, it's the one that Omi hooked it up with.
Oh, damn, yo, I like
Shout out
that.
to Omi, by the way.
Word, I like that. Like, it has, like, you see that? Like,
What?
those options on the screen?
Yeah, it's crazy, right? Shout out to Omi for the camera. The quality changed a lot in the vlogs when he gave me this camera. But what you doing?
Anyways, what's up, guys? You know what I'm saying? Ah!
But look, here's the thing, guys. So my car, I get an update. I have to go to the shop on Saturday. And on Saturday, I'll film a vlog. I'll film everything that we do there. But they're going to tell me what's wrong with my car, the damage and everything. And it's worse than I thought because my backup camera stopped working too. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Like,
Guys, comment down below if it's time to change this car.
I think it's time. But we got to get this fixed first. And I lost value on the car, which sucks. But it's all good. I'm going to get it fixed. We're going to have an update, a full car video on Saturday. I have to go, so the video will obviously be on Sunday because I got to film it on Saturday. So we'll have that video for you guys to give you guys a quick update on everything that will be going down with my car. And we won't get it fixed on Saturday, but we'll get everything that we need to get. We'll get a check for it and whatever we got to do. And then I'll probably get it fixed on like Monday, Tuesday-ish and see what goes on. I don't know if they have to repaint the bumper or anything, but I'll keep you guys updated on all that once it does happen.
Probably have to go get another wrap.
Yep, another wrap.
Then
I got some ideas.
Craigslist, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, get this car out of here. You gotta get this thing the hell out of here for sure.
We gotta get out of here, man. It has
Sure.
to.
Anybody who wants to buy it, DM me on Instagram. I mean, at least you guys know that the crash wasn't bad because it's just a back bumper, so
Yes, sir.
you know it's not horrible.
Oh, wait, it was never a crash.
Oh, yeah. Never mind. Never crash. Hi, my boy.
Yo, nice talking to you.
It was lit.
Nice business talking, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. We got some things coming. We out of here.
Hey,
Though.
how you doing?
Alright, guys. We're out of here right now. Better head back to my house, see who's at my house, see what people are doing, and find out the next wave, I guess. But I had to pop out to Schmatty's Pizza Shop real quick. You guys want to check out his Instagram, put it up on the screen with all the information for his pizza shop. You can check it out. If you guys do want to stop by, if you live in Jersey, make sure you check it out. And yeah, we're about to head out of here. I'm gonna catch you guys when we get to my house. Alright, I just got back to my house right now. DJ's inside. And I told him that I was 14 minutes away. I was like 25 minutes. I swear, I think I made it back to my house in 10 minutes. like I was doing the dash. Like I swear I made it back in 10 minutes. Yo. Yeah. When I told you that I was 14 minutes away, I was like 23. And I got here fast as hell, probably like 10 minutes. What do you think you're doing, bro? Think it's a game? You think you just come in my room and just sit down right here?
Oh yeah, he just broke in and I forgot to check him out.
He thinks he got it like that. You're bugging. You're bugging. You gotta go, son. You should. Yo! Yeah. Alright, another thing about my car, another quick little update before I do end this video off, because we're probably just gonna chill for the rest of the night. And I'm gonna go to the gym later tonight, and other than that, that's really it. I mean, unless you guys want to see gym vlogs, comment down below, let me know. But, alright. So, this kid, the kid that crashed into the kid that hit into me, so it was 3 cars, right? It was a BMW, then a red car, and then me. So I got hit last. So the kid in the BMW was coming crazy, talking about, oh yeah, I'm gonna beat you up, this and that. You better not post this video. I posted the video anyway, of course, because who is he? He's a little boy. So I posted the video. And the video's still up. Obviously, he didn't do nothing. He hasn't said a word since. He straight sent me an address in Kearney. And was like, I'm pulling up to your house. Like, who is this kid? This kid, he's literally like, I'm pretty sure he was like 5'9". He's a little kid, like coming crazy, a little ass boy. So it was pretty funny, but he's probably gonna watch this. So shout out to you, bro. You're real tough. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that because he was coming too crazy for me not to say nothing. Especially the fact that he said all that and didn't do anything. I knew he was. I told him from the start, I was like, bro, listen, like I didn't even come crazy. I was like, listen, you're not gonna do nothing. You're gonna talk through Instagram, and when I see you, you're not gonna do anything about it. So I'm not even gonna bother wasting my time with you. Other than that, guys, I'm ending this video off here. I love you guys. Smash that freaking like button if you guys want to see more content. Comment down below any ideas that you guys do have. Please let me know. But other than that, I'm just gonna end this video off here. It was a pretty lit day. We were literally all over the place, so I'm sorry about that. I was running around all freaking day, but we still made something happen. Hopefully this video wasn't boring. Me and Matt had a little rev battle. Comment below whose car is louder. Keep in mind, I only went up to 4,000 RPMs because I would have blew the whole block up. So I had to keep it calm. I think I went to 4,000 RPMs, but we still were about the same, like, at the same noise volume. But yeah, other than that, I'm ending this video off here. Let's hit a quick shot for the video. Ready? To end it off, we making it 2. Oh, yo.
That was almost.
They robbed me. I got one more in me. I got one more in me. Yes, sir. That's it. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Peace out.
It's been spinning on the fan. I've been trying to do the best I can. It gets slow each time I run it. Life's too busy, gotta keep it warm.